Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to tackle cleaning the fridge. Now cleaning the fridge is something that most of us don't really do often, or we don't really want to do, but sometimes we just have to do it and do a good deep cleaning and reorganizing. So here I'm just taking out everything and putting it on the counter so I can go through it and see what is going bad or expiring so it can be thrown out. So I spray the shelves really good, and I wanted to soak it well so it can lift up all the dry stuff. It wasn't too bad, but it did need a good scrub for sure. It looked pretty gross in the drawers because that's where I keep my fruits and vegetables. So as you can see, it needed a good spray. Onto the doors. So I did empty one at a time so I could go through it and see what has expired and what we're not really using anymore, so I could throw it all out. And the shelves were actually not that dirty. Surprising. I thought maybe I will have a lot of spills in there, but I didn't, which was good. Sorry, I sound like I'm losing my voice. So yeah, I went through each and every one of them, and I did wipe down all the bottles before I put them back, just so I can make sure that there are no spills on the side, and that would definitely transfer to the shelf, which will probably be gross for the next time I do clean the fridge. Now the cleaning is done. The fridge is nice and beautiful, all cleaned up, and I am now ready to put back all these things that I have put on the counter. This made it so much easier for me to make my grocery list because I could now see what I have and what I don't have, so I don't double up on anything. So yeah, this was definitely a needed process. Sometimes I do put it on the back burner and I don't clean my fridge, but I'm glad I got to do it this day and I got to film it so you guys can be motivated to go ahead and clean your fridge as well. everything is put back and it is nicely organized. Now I can see everything that I have in my fridge, so we won't forget to eat something or drink something and leave it to expire. This makes it so much easier to find things in the fridge, so I definitely like it to be organized. And now I am going to clean on the outside, and this is the cleaner that I use for my stainless steel. He does a very good job, so I like it. And yeah, I went ahead and I sprayed the fridge and just polished it with a paper towel, not much. And Ethan came to help me last minute.